Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD CAM Training. Today I'm gonna show you how to design spring ball. Let's start. Choose the front plane, sketch, and make it normal. Choose the circle command and draw it from the origin point. Choose the smart dimension, diameter 200 millimeters. Choose the line command, draw it from this point to this point. And trim this part. Go to Features Revolve Base and revolve it from about this line. Go to Front Plane Sketch and make it normal. Choose the circle command and draw it from this point. Now choose the Offset command, bidirectional, and offset it to 15 millimeters. Choose the offset, uncheck the bidirectional, and select this outer circle, and continue this process and offset the outer circle one by one. Now choose the offset command and reverse the direction and choose the inner circle. Now continue this process and offset the inner circle one by one. Go to Features. Choose the Slit Line command and select the sphere. OK. Go to the Sweep Boss base, choose the circular profile and select the first line. OK. Now repeat this process and make the spring one by one. Now right-click on the Revolve and hide it. Go to Material Appearance, choose Plastic. Select High Gloss. And double-click on Red Gloss Plastic. Our design is ready.